Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got my virtual online business address for my brand Lavish Curls Beauty. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into this video. So for some businesses, mostly from even online businesses, most of the time you don't need an actual physical address, like to go to an actual building, get a business store, because most of the time we're operating from home, and you just mostly need a virtual business address so that when you're shipping out items, you're not showing your actual home address. So I'm going to show you guys a service that I use to get my virtual address, and it was super cheap. I only paid $10 a month for it. Some other virtual business addresses you may have to pay more. It just depends on the location. So it might not be the same for everybody, but if you are a California business owner, then most likely you can get it for about $10. So let's go ahead and just get straight into it. I'm going to start the screen recording. Okay guys, so the website I use is called iPostal1. So it's a digital mailbox, but it's also a real street address. So you don't have to worry about it being not real. They've been in service for some years, so they do have some credibility to them. And I've also heard other business owners use them that are having online stores. So that's why I chose to go with this website. So it's called iPostal1. Like I said, it's the complete digital mailbox. Like I said, they have different plans, they have different locations. So it just says they're the #1 digital mailbox service worldwide. Digital mailboxes from $9.99 a month. And then there's 850 real street addresses for business or for personal use. So you don't have to use this only for business, you can use it for personal use. And it does also include a free phone and fax included, like a number. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and view the locations. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So it just says digital mailbox locations, and then it says please select state. I'm going to go ahead and select California, and then you're going to choose the address you would like for your digital mailbox. So for me, I'm more in the Los Angeles area, so I did scroll down until I found Los Angeles. Now, there's going to be different addresses that come up, and you're basically just going to select whatever address you want. So, they have one for Hillshurst Ave, Wilshire, Westwood. As you can see, the first two are $9.99, but when you get to the third one, it is $19.99. And then the next one goes back down to $9.99. So, like I said, depending on the area, the price might be different. So that's the only one in Los Angeles that is $19.99. Other than that, all of them are $9.99. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just randomly click on one. So I'm just going to hit choose. I chose the one that says 3154 Glendale Boulevard. And what you're going to do at the bottom, it says step 2 is select your plan. So you can choose a virtual mailing box. That's basically personal use, and then they have a virtual business address, and then they have a virtual office. I went ahead and selected the virtual business one, and then they also have different plan levels. And another thing for you guys to know is there's no contract or sign up fee, and you can change it if you have the monthly plan. So I'm going based off of the monthly plan because I don't want to be locked in to it doing automatic year payments if I'm not too sure how the business might run. So I just played it safe and did the monthly payments, because they do have month to month, and then they also have it where they say you can get 1 year and then get 2 months off for free. So I went ahead and did the green plan, which is $9.99 a month, and then it says or $99 a year. So you can select it. It has 2 different options. I did the $9.99 a month, like I said, and that basically allows you 30 mail items per month, but I'm basically only using it for the address. I'm not really using it for anything else. And then it also says location pricing varies by standard, select, premium, or prestige address. Plans renew unless canceled before billing date. You get a full refund within the first 30 days upon request if account not used for receiving mail or other purpose. So it basically just says what all the plans include. It's a whole list. So you get a real US street address, you get a personal digital mailbox, you get the free app for the Android or the iPhone. I of course downloaded it on my iPhone. You get 24/7 digital access to all your mail items. You see a picture of the outside of every mail item. You get sender information for every item clearly visible, and the list basically goes on. And then it just also has optional services, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the $9.99 so you guys can see about that. And basically after that, all you have to do is input your information. So you're gonna put your first name, your last name, the name of your company, your address, your city, your country, your state, your postal code, and your phone number. And then you're going to basically make an account. So you're going to put in your username, your password, and then you're going to confirm the password. You're going to put it in your own email, confirm the email, and then you're just going to put in all of your payment information. And it could be credit card, debit card, or PayPal. You're going to agree to the terms of service. You're going to create an account, and after that you will have your digital mailbox. It's really, really simple and easy, and it's the fastest thing that I found to work right away, and it works perfect on Shopify. And I will have a video on Shopify soon because that is what I'm using for my online business. So I hope this was helpful and informative. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.